How to add Peacock to a Samsung Smart TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. There are basically a couple of ways to add your Peacock application to a Samsung Smart TV. So the first is direct addition from the Samsung App Store. For this, you need to press on the home button on your Samsung Smart TV remote. Navigate to the Apps section. Use the search bar to find Peacock. Select the Peacock app and click on the Install button. Once installed, you can launch the Peacock app and sign in with a Peacock account credential. Another is through a streaming device, such as Roku or Fire TV. Connect the streaming device to your TV via HDMI. Navigate to the App Store on your streaming device and search for Peacock. Download and install the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app and sign in using your credential. If none of this helps, there might be some issue in your TV. But fear not, it can be easily resolved through a quick update. For that, check out your TV settings and check for any available update. If there is any, make sure to update your smart TV. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.